Hi, I'm Nancy Kiernan, International Living's Colombia Correspondent, coming to you from live inside my house. I thought I would take a few minutes and give you a tour of my home and hopefully provide you with a little bit of information of what it's like to live in Medellin. Okay, so here we go. This is coming in from my front door. I live in an apartment building in Medellin. It's a 27-year-old building, and there are 32 units in the building. So this is my kitchen, very modern looking. And I bought this apartment in 2013 and did a renovation of most of the surfaces. Here we are in my laundry area and what's known as the maid's quarters, but also known as my storage area. This is a view from the side balcony. I live next door to a church, so it's nice and quiet, except on Sundays. So as I was saying, I bought the apartment in 2013 and did renovations, new floors, paint job, kitchen cabinets, and a fair amount that you really can't see. Updated some electrical and some plumbing issues. So my dining room, this furniture, all of the furniture that you'll see here in the living room and in the dining room was handmade in a pueblo nearby and delivered to my house. This is my living room. Back out to the balcony again. So as you can see, the weather in Medellin is beautiful, so we end up spending a fair amount of our time outside on balconies. So now we head down the hallway a little bit and into the guest bathroom that has a tub, which is not all that common. And into the guest bedroom. So if you decide to come and visit me someday, this could be where you stay, with its workstation and built-in closet. One thing about many of the apartments in Medellin is that they have a lot of built-in walk-in closets and built-in closet space, so you don't need to buy too much additional furniture. This is the third bedroom that I converted to my office. This is where all the international living magic happens. It's where I write my articles and conduct my interviews. And then I have my sunroom that is beautiful. It's completely covered with a dome roof so that even when it's raining or if it's misty out, I can still enjoy the space. And I can see that from the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom area. And it has its own large walk-in closet with plenty of space for storage. And we head back into the master and into the master bath. When I did the renovations, this got completely gutted, and we took out the tub and replaced it with a large shower area. And back to my sunroom. So this is actually the way this is set up. It's quite a large expansion of my living space. And then the real reason that I bought this place is because of the lovely outside space. I have quite a large, an 80 square meter terrazza space that has this part which is completely open to the outside, and then this part that also has just a roof over the top where my hot tub is and my outside kitchen area. So I have a barbecue that we plumbed in the gas directly to it so I don't have to deal with bottles. I have a sink with hot and cold water to wash dishes here. But this is a lovely place of where I like to hang out and spend some time. And here's a beautiful view. This is what I look out on every morning, and the sun sets right about there every evening. So I just wanted to give you a quick glimpse of what my life is like here in Medellin, Colombia, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.